Yesterday was Joshua Tree. I don't know why I can't say that, but we're getting on the road today. We spent the night at Walmart last night. Did a little, what I call parking lot boondocking. Right now she's at Starbucks, right there, getting her coffee. I'm just sitting out here waiting because I don't like going to Starbucks. Ain't gonna do it. But anyway, it's a rainy, cold day. The weather has drastically changed from where we was at. But we're high in elevation. Get to see the snow-capped mountains. It's really foggy, so I don't know if it's going to show up. It may not even focus on it because of the raindrops. Nah. It's not going to focus on it because of the raindrops, but right there is snow-capped mountains, which is pretty cool. Anyhow, I'm going to sit here and wait on her, and we'll get back on the road. Be back in just a minute. What are we looking at? Looking at windmills. I can't drive. Driving with the camera. Pretty scenic. Way out the valley. A little noisy, but we stopped at this rest area. Just use the restroom, stretch our legs, and it's got this awesome view. Not the truck, the mountains. I couldn't show it to you driving down the road because I was driving down the road. Anyway, it's kind of give you an idea of what we're getting to see. Snow-capped mountains. The sun is shining over there. We are in California, and I don't know where we're going. I'll let you know when I know. We'll be back.
Hey guys, we stopped outside of San Bernardino. The wind is so strong right now, so he pulled over at perfect timing. We've got a great site. It's right off the highway, but it's a huge pull off, so we think we're gonna just hang out for a few hours and wait for the wind to die down a bit.
Yeah, well, this is start a new day. They don't show the wind. The wind is vicious. We're kind of in like a, I don't know, call it like a little pocket where the wind's jumping over us, but the wind is vicious. The old van is working way too hard. But our view couldn't be no better. Got snow-capped mountains. Got an interstate. It's a pretty cool view, though. I mean, if I had to sit somewhere, this would be the spot I'd pick. Correctamundo?
Correctamundo.
Okay. Valley. Pretty neat. I'm waiting till we get over this hump right here. I feel like we're going to see the valley. Actually, I can see it. It don't show up good on camera. I'm not using my fancy zoom. We're passing the NASA, Neil Armstrong Research Center?
Yeah, and their Joe Davies Heritage Air Park.
That big old place says NASA on the tailgate. Cool.
Regional Airport.
We made it through the windstorm. We're at the end of the day. Sun has got you completely bleached out. We better see you. Either way, we're doing another Walmart boondocking. Right there, Walmart. Yes, but anyway, we're doing another Walmart boondocking. Not the most. We thought it was going to be scenic, and it kind of is, but once you get in the parking lot, you can't really see nothing. There's like mountains all the way around us, but they kind of disappear when you get here. Yeah. But we chose this one, or she kind of chose it because we have Walmart for supplies. We have a Planet Fitness for her, a Dollar Tree, A Sam's down there.
With the gas station.
And the gas station's here.
The best prices in town.
Over here, you know, if you into fast food, there's a couple of little eating joints here. Sonic and something else I've seen. Right there's a barbecue joint right there. But anyway, it's like a really good, like, restocking supply type area. And I have Planet Fitness for showers. Are we going to leave here tomorrow?
Yeah, there's a really nice bike trail, so we might do the biking trail, but otherwise, if we don't get on the bikes, then we'll probably leave tomorrow. We're not very far from our final destination, so we'll see.
Yeah, I don't know. The balloon in that tree just caught my attention. But anyhow, yeah, I gotta show you what I'm looking at because I'm always looking. Right there. See the balloon in the tree? That's what caught my attention. Now you know how I get distracted so easy. Yeah, I think we're just gonna do a one-nighter here. Maybe, yeah, maybe explore a little tomorrow.
Maybe. This Walmart closes. A lot of the California Walmarts seem to close at midnight, so we're hoping once it closes, it'll get quiet again. But they do have a really serious security presence too.
It looks like a clean area. I mean, I'm not seeing like trash everywhere other than your regular normal city trash that gets blown around on the sidewalk stuff, but it don't look filthy and run down. The area looks pretty decent.
It looks nice. Yeah, it's a nice area.
But anyhow, we'll hang out here and I'll let you know more tomorrow if we got robbed. So it's a new morning. Just woke up. Getting ready to start the day. I know this is dark. You're not missing nothing though. But we just did our morning routine. Got cleaned up, you know, took showers. She went and Planet Fitness, got her shower. Now she's over at the Starbucks getting some coffee. Got her big donut on the dash. We're getting ready to hit the road. This actually wasn't a bad area to stay. We was at the Walmart, which we moved to the other end of the shopping center, whatever you want to call it. But we was at the Walmart. It was quiet, didn't have no trouble, nobody bothered us. I mean, you know, it wasn't loud like music or people driving too fast. None. It was actually a pretty decent stay. Like I said, we got plenty. Even if you're in this area, you got plenty of shopping right here close. You got a Kohl's if you need that. Joann's fabric store at the very end. Sam's Club, Walmart, Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, all kinds of restaurants. Like 3 or 4 banks. There's a nail and spa area, Starbucks. I mean, it's everything right here in this one spot. Pretty much everything you need. Oh, I guess I could have done this, couldn't I? Z's got the Z Walmart, Z Sam's, Kohl's, you know, Sonic, pretty much everything I named. So, anyway, waiting on her to get her coffee. We're fixing to hit the road. We don't really have no destination. Just gonna go to our next spot. We got an area in mind that we're going to, but we're just not in no hurry to get there. We're going about 50 miles, give or take, and we're stopping, just camping, or whatever you want to call it, parking lot camping, boondocking. Everybody calls it something different, but we got another town picked out we're going to go to, and camp, you know, stay there for the night, just kind of check the little town out, and probably in about 2 days we should be at our main destination where we're wanting to get to. I don't want to give it away yet, but anyhow, I'm going to get off here, wait for her, and then start a trip. Beautiful sunny day. Couldn't ask for nothing better. We'll be back. It's like trees on top of it. Trees on
Oh,
top.
there's that big train.
I wouldn't call it big.
Maybe. Coming around the mountain.
Coming around the mountain.
She was short. We're still in California, heading towards the big parks. And it just seems like we're in the middle of nowhere.
We don't know what park we're going to.
Yeah, we're just kind of just driving around. No destination really in sight. Stopping when we stop, doing what we do.
I gotta show the cows. The moo, moo, all them black spots are cows. I don't know why I thought you should see it, but. And if you look amidst all the whiteness, there's actually land out there. We can see for miles, can't we?
Miles.
Miles. Why are you reaching for that?
I thought you wanted some help.
I was getting a bag head glare on it.
I do, just so everybody knows, I do always offer to help him.
Oh. That's pretty cool looking. It probably don't show right on camera, but from the driver's seat, that's pretty cool looking.
It is cool. How they blasted through these beautiful mountains for this highway.
And passing. And there they are. We got this back home, but ours you cannot see it because there's like millions of trees.
Yeah.
It just seems weird that they have that. Ooh, wow.
Wow. It feels like we're in an airplane right now. That's like aerial.
They have absolutely no trees here to block anything.
Wow.
I'm putting the camera down because I want to drive and look at this.
We just saw a sign on the side of the road that said free samples and tours for the California Fruit Depot.
Oh, they do tours here?
I think so.
Oh, okay. Let's go ahead and check it out. Gonna get some free oranges. Down here. We got to place ourselves on the map. And that's me. Where's Springfield? There's her, the blue. It's like a huge map.
This just started January.
Yeah. January 2019, a year ago.
Yeah.
Is when this started. Pretty neat. And they even got for the other countries too. Look at here.
Oh my gosh.
A lot of people from Europe. Pretty cool. Boom.
So we got a couple of treats. They're really friendly. California Fruit Depot. We got some sesame sticks, honey roasted. It was $3. The lady there is really friendly. They've got lots of samples in there with jams, nuts,
We asked
honey.
about the Harvest Host program.
We asked about the Harvest Host. They don't know anything about it. They're not familiar with it. But she did say passing through, if you're in an RV, feel free to stay. And she gave us a couple of oranges for free too. I mean, I'm sure they're such a smaller operation. They're being really friendly. I wouldn't just stay here, but
it looks like a family operation.
it looks like a family-owned operation.
Yeah.
But it's large. I mean,
But we just asked if they was involved with the Harvest Host. She just said they didn't know anything about it, but we was more welcome to stay tonight, park here if we wanted to, which is pretty awesome.
that was really nice of her. Yeah. And again, they have free samples of everything in there. They ship everywhere. And we had every intention of buying the oranges. 90 cents a pound for the navel. But she just gave them to us. She was really nice.
Cool. I feel like we're in the semis away. I don't know. Maybe not. I gotta get in the van. Anywho, it's a pretty fun stop. I'll admit it was more for her. She wanted it. I could care less. But I'm glad I got to see it because it reminded me of a job we did right there. They're kind of doing like our old Hell's Grove job, which I don't miss, to be truthful.
I don't miss it either.
She misses it. She wants to go back.
I thought it was going to be one of those you pick farms where you can pick out your own fruit. That's kind of what I was expecting, but this was still really cool. It wasn't, they didn't really tour or anything, but I don't know, guys. It was fun. Well, it lasted. Oh, wow.
He's stopping to get scrap on you, like play for feed for animals. But I'm gonna pause this and get off here because I feel like it's getting really busy around this. We'll be back.
Seriously though, is that bird stuck in underneath the solar panel, like going in circles?
No. I think it is.
Oh,
That guy's over fishing.
wait, but he must be caught on something.
So where we at? Talk to the people.
Hi guys. We made a pit stop. Still in California. I'm obsessed with water, so I found a little town with water.
This is a park?
Yeah. It's a Riverwalk park. So it's supposed to go by the river, which I think is going to be right over this hill. But I'm kind of concerned with this little This little duck that looks like he's caught in something.
If I zoomed in on it, I think it's a real duck.
Oh. I think there's like... He can't be alive.
Oh no, it's on a pole.
I can see a reflector.
Yeah, it's like a... Yeah, it's not real.
It's not real? Okay.
Because the pole's like going through the body.
Oh, okay, maybe it's like...
It's a deterrent. It's a deterrent of some kind. This is like food. But anyway, is this like a park or like a?
This is the park.
I mean, or is it like a walking? Just a walking.
There's
around?
a walking. There should be a walking path on the other side by the river.
So it's not like slide, swings, wee kind of park.
Well, there is, but that's further. Like actually, it's right. I can see this. I can see the swings. That's the actual river walk part.
Well,
we're doing the walkway.
All right, let's walk around it then. You need transmission now. That is pretty neat waterfall. I mean, it's like man-made, obviously, but
It's so pretty with the boulders.
pretty neat. So this is a city park, Bakersfield, California. We haven't seen the whole town. This is like our first stop, I guess to say. So far, the impression of this, it's a very nice town. It's clean, and but we did come through the outer edges.
The industrial side. Yeah.
A little dusty and rough, but that's every town, I guess.
Yeah.
But right here is pretty awesome. Got this pretty cool looking park. But anyway, we're gonna end this video right here. Say hello to everybody. I can't even remember who all the name, but say hello to Mom, my Aunt Kay, my brother, the local sheriff back in my town. All right. Okay. Anything you want to say to your mother?
Nope. We're having a good time, guys.
All right. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.